Mastering your hook and yarn hold is the essential first step in crochet. Equally important is learning to control your tension, the consistent tightness or looseness of your stitches. As shown below, the same hook and yarn can create two very different squares simply due to tension. Tighter tension yields a smaller, firmer fabric and uses less yarn. Looser tension creates a larger, more flexible piece and requires more yarn. In this guide, we'll walk you through each of these foundational skills. Make one loop around the little finger on your left hand. Wrap the yarn and toward the body around your index finger. Passing it through the middle finger of the left hand. Loose the loop and add your ring finger in it. Hold the crochet hook like a pencil between your thumb and index finger. Use your third finger underneath for more balance and control. Insert crochet hook into loop. Then hook working yarn, pull working yarn through loop. Left hand, index finger, is the regulator. Guide the yarn over your index finger. Raise the finger slightly to give more yarn, lower or pull it back to take up slack. Right hand, hook, is the operator. Hold the hook steadily, but don't grip tightly. Its job is to catch the yarn and pull it through loop smoothly, not to yank hard. To conclude, your hands should be relaxed, not tight. Tense hands make tight, stiff stitches and can cause pain. Perfect tension comes with practice. For now, just begin. Your hands will learn as you go.